Alright, dude, you inspired me to run a little test. First, a little background. I brewed Friday, and I left the thermocouple laying on the ground so it was sensing ambient temperature so that I would keep the element on. And I raced right through the boil and boiled over. So now I put it in the makeshift thermal well here, and it seems to be boiling right at about the perfect amount that you'd want to boil beer at. If I bump the temp up to about 99 or 100, it seems to run the element, once it stabilizes, it seems to run the element all the way to 19 amps, which is 4,500 watts of power. And I'm afraid that toggling on and off at 4,500 watts of power might give us a scorched flavor in the beer after an hour of boiling. But inspirational nonetheless. I was just about set to spend the 50 bucks on a nicer Auburn controller, or maybe a MyPin, save a little bit of money, but seeing this amperage bounce back and forth and the rate at which the elements toggling on and off might do the trick. I don't know. I'd really like to get your input after you brew a few batches with it running like this. See if there's any scorched flavors in there. Tell you something else too. I wish my control panel was closer to my boil pot. I may swap this around and brew left to right after all. Anyhow, thanks for your video. I didn't realize that it would fluctuate the amperage and the power draw that much and that quickly.